Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best clean eating cookbooks is probably one of the most effective ways to embrace a healthier lifestyle. These cookbooks are packed with delicious recipes that focus on whole, unprocessed foods, guiding you towards a diet rich in nutrients and free from artificial additives. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these cookbooks offer a wealth of knowledge and inspiration to transform your meals and your well-being. Number 5. 30-Minute Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Are you looking for a healthy and delicious way to eat? This cookbook is your guide to the Mediterranean diet. It offers a variety of recipes to help you live a healthier life. This cookbook features 101 easy-to-follow recipes. They are designed to be quick to make, so you can enjoy healthy meals even on busy weeknights. The recipes are packed with flavor. It uses fresh ingredients and simple techniques to create delicious and satisfying meals. Each recipe can be prepared in just 30 minutes. This makes it easy to stick to your healthy eating goals without spending hours in the kitchen. Embrace a lifestyle focused on well-being. This cookbook provides the tools and inspiration to make healthy eating a sustainable part of your life. What we like. This cookbook focuses on the Mediterranean diet, known for its health benefits. It offers recipes that are ready in just 30 minutes. If you are looking for delicious and quick meals that align with a heart-healthy diet, you should consider this one. What people say. Everything I have made from this book has been easy and quick to prepare and really tasty. The instructions are very easy to follow, and they even tell you where to find things in the supermarket people don't usually buy. The recipes are easy to follow, and I choose the ones that I can easily find the ingredients. Number 4. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook, Easy and Wholesome Meals. Are you looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is the perfect solution. It offers easy and wholesome meal prep ideas that you can cook, prepare, and grab on the go. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes designed for meal prepping. This book makes it simple to plan your meals for the week. It ensures you always have a healthy option ready. The recipes are designed to be both delicious and convenient. You can prepare your meals in advance and have them ready to go. This book helps you save time and eat well. This cookbook focuses on wholesome ingredients and balanced meals. It will help you make healthier choices. It is a great way to improve your overall well-being. Get ready to transform your eating habits with this cookbook. It provides all the tools you need to succeed. It's time to enjoy delicious and healthy meals every day. What we like. This cookbook is all about meal prepping for convenience. It provides recipes designed for easy preparation and grab-and-go meals. If you have a busy lifestyle and need healthy meals ready in advance, it is perfect for you. What people say. Great recipes, helpful meal plans, less food waste, more free time throughout the week. The recipes used everything. The recipes in the book are so simple that making them gets faster and faster each time. The ingredients are also simple. I didn't have to buy anything out of the ordinary for these recipes. Number 3. Complete Clean Eating Cookbook, 200 Recipes and Meal Plans. Are you looking to eat healthier? This cookbook is your guide to clean eating. It provides a variety of fresh recipes to help you on your journey. Inside, you'll find 200 delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. They are designed to make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. Try them out. This cookbook also includes 3 easy meal plans. They take the guesswork out of meal prep. It makes planning your meals simple and effective. Achieve a healthy diet with this cookbook. It's packed with tips and tricks. You can easily incorporate clean eating into your daily life. Begin your clean eating journey today. This cookbook is the perfect companion. It provides all the resources you need for a healthier lifestyle. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of clean eating recipes. It also includes easy-to-follow meal plans to guide you. If you are new to clean eating or want a comprehensive guide with diverse options, you should choose this one. What people say. This book is a really good choice if you want to learn how to properly clean eat. It thoroughly explains how to and has a decent amount of recipes to help you start. Every recipe is a hit. They are easy to cook and very nutritious, utilizing whole ingredients that are easy to obtain. Really great meal plans, lots of different healthy meal ideas with easy substitutes and ways to make it your own by swapping out or adding in. Great sauce and seasoning recipes as well, along with helpful conversions and tons of user-friendly directions, indexes, and pro tips. Number 2. Clean Eating Meal Prep, 6 weekly plans and 75 recipes. Are you struggling to find time for healthy eating? This guide offers a solution. It provides you with the tools to simplify your meal prep. Inside, you'll discover 6 comprehensive weekly meal plans. Each plan is designed to make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. It takes the guesswork out of your diet. This book features 75 delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. They are perfect for creating ready-to-go meals. You'll find something for every taste. Prepare your meals in advance and save time during the week. This helps you stay on track with your health goals. It's all about convenience. Start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle today. This guide is packed with tips and recipes. It's your key to success. What we like. This cookbook provides structured meal plans for the entire week. It features recipes specifically designed for easy meal prep. If you like a structured approach to meal planning and want ready-to-go meals, it is a great choice. What people say. The recipes are well written with detailed information on how long to store. Nice weekly meal plans laid out with lots of great ideas to keep it simple but fun. These are gourmet recipes and you can taste the difference. Number 1. 30-minute Clean Eating Cookbook, 115 easy recipes. Are you looking for quick and healthy meal options? This cookbook is perfect for you. It offers 115 easy, whole food recipes that can be prepared in just 30 minutes. This book provides a variety of recipes. It focuses on using whole foods, ensuring you get the nutrients you need without spending hours in the kitchen. Each recipe is designed to be simple and efficient. It helps you create delicious and nutritious meals even on your busiest days. The instructions are clear and straightforward. It makes healthy eating accessible to everyone, regardless of their cooking experience. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with this cookbook. It's your guide to enjoying delicious, clean eating without the time commitment. What we like. This cookbook emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods. It offers recipes that are quick to prepare, taking only 30 minutes. If you are looking for recipes that use whole foods and are short on time, it is the perfect fit for you. What people say. The recipes revealed by Kathy are not only easy to make but are healthy and tasty. I purchased this book a few months ago when the title of 30-minute and clean caught my eye. This book has it all. Everything is so quick, making it easy to whip up a delicious meal after a long day at work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.